good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, all my friends and family worldwide. Today, I plan to cook a vegetarian pasta or stir-fry vegetarian pasta, which is with linguine, sweet onion, mushrooms and green beans, tomatoes, eggplant. I'm going to use this half of this eggplant, cilantro, jalapeno, basil and tomatoes for style, and green onion. Also, I'm going to use garlic powder, black pepper, make tasty, and also olive oil to stir fry later on all the condiment together. And remember, salt to taste, and this is all very important. Normally, when I cook pasta, I always stir fry. I don't use tomatoes from the can. I don't also use cheese or Alfredo cheese. I use all the fresh from everything. So I stir fry because it's better and tasty. And also I normally use chicken or beef a little bit, but this time I'm going to cook this linguine pasta or stir fry vegetarian pasta, and I hope that we'll see. I'll show you guys, ladies and gentlemen, how I make it vegetarian stir fry vegetarian pasta. Okay, let's cut our onions, sweet onions, just like this. You don't need to cut. Eggplant, I'm going to use this eggplant, not all of them, just half of them. Cut like this. Okay, for this stir fry vegetarian pasta, I use 6 mushroom. I just cut like this, small, you know, just like that. And the green bean, we cut small actually, because this is gonna just like this. See this, small. And the tomato, they usually cut small also, just, you know, like that. And then cut small because you're going to stir fry later. Then you cut all of them and you put to the place. And then you cut also jalapeno, small. Normally I do like this. And see? Just like this. Modori masita. Ohayo gozaimasu, konnichiwa, konbanwa. Good morning and good afternoon and good evening again. One of my former students in Japan, she wants me to speak Japanese when I'm cooking this. But however, I've been long time not speak Japanese anymore, but I still understand everything. But however, I don't speak anymore. So I'm sorry, my former student in Japan. Okay, but I hope you enjoy this. Okay, I'm back. That I cut already the mushroom, and I cut the jalapeno, and I cut the small green beans like this, and the eggplant, sweet onion, 1 sweet onion, and the tomatoes for stir fry for all the condiment, and also tomatoes just for the style. So after I finish this everything, so I'm going to start to stir fry. And also now I'm already put the boil the water to cook the linguine. I'm going to cook this half of this, not all of them. Okay. Alright, the water is boiled. Now I can put the linguine. According to the instruction from this cover, it say 8 minutes, but I will cook this actually 8 to 12 minutes. I like more softer a little bit. Okay, the Linguine is done. I'm take it now around 11-12 minutes. I make it. Like I say, I don't do 8 minutes. Just 11 okay, minutes. Okay, I heat up already 1/3 cup of olive oil. So now I'm ready to stir fry the onion first. Remember, put onion first. Alright, after around 3 minutes you stir fry the onion, you put garlic just slightly. And mixing them. And also put pepper, just your taste. And now you add the mushroom. We'll be mix later everything. Also remember to add eggplant in the same time. After you stir fry about 2.5 minutes, you add the tomato. Just put that aside like this, okay? You'll see later. Once soft a little bit, remember also to stir like this so it looks, but do not mix yet until more softer. So now you see this, I cook this one, the tomato separate like this around 6 minutes. So now we can mix it. You see how it looks good, right? And let's remember to put salt to taste. That one will be perfect because I know what I'm doing. So, but if you know, you can taste later on. Okay? If you think, look at. Oh, and now I put the jalapeno. Reduce the heat a little bit. Now let's put the spaghetti. It's been done. Let's stir fry. The taste will be better with stir fry pasta. I do this many times in the past. And mixing it until well. Then before I take it out, I just put the green bean. It's a cut very small like that. Why I do that actually? While you eat actually soft pasta, you have a little bit crunchiness from the green beans. Can high a little bit now again. Okay, now it's done, and then let's turn off the stove. I cut already the onion, so I'll put like this, and the tomato from the top. Okay, I just finished cook the stir fry vegetarian pasta. So I put everything together. Now we are ready to eat. And the reason why I cook vegetarian pasta, sometimes you need a vegetarian just like that. So people who who didn't eat meat, so they can cook just the way like this. Okay, and then normally you can buy Italian bread also. Or French bread. So I bought just sourdough because I like it that way. So I'm going to try this. Okay. Okay. Wow, it's really good and spicy because I put one jalapeno, so it becomes spicy. Okay, so I try already, and you can put more. Like I say, if you eat with bread or French bread or Italian bread, that will be great too. So I hope that you enjoy to make this at home for your family while you stay at home. And thank you very much for watching LCC Trevlog. Okay, and bon appetit. Bye bye.